How to manage files on your iPhone. What we'll discuss: what are files on a smartphone? How to access files on iPhone? Why should you use files? And how to organize files. What are files on a smartphone? Files on smartphone devices typically refer to various data that is stored on your iPhone. This data can include photos and videos and applications such as music and other downloads. What are files on a smartphone? Files are automatically backed up via the iCloud drive. iCloud is a feature on iPhone that allows the user to store and access their files across multiple devices, such as an iPad to a computer. What are files on a smartphone? You can get to or keep your files on iCloud using the Files app and vice versa. How to access files on iPhone. To get to your files on your iPhone, find the Files app on your home screen. It should look like this. If you can't find the Files app, just swipe down on your screen and type Files in the search bar, and that will look like this. This is how the Files application will look like on your device. Why should you use Files? This is what you can do on the Files application. You can organize all of your files, you can modify your files, and you can share your files with others. The Files app is mainly used to help users find, organize, and send their files around. Users can share any of their files to friends and family, as well as fellow colleagues. Find the file you want to save, then touch and hold it. This will let you share the file, and it will look something like this. Users can choose who to send their files to. Contacts as an AirDrop, and you can even send it as an email, and those options should look something like this. Why should you use files? Users can use their phone's camera in the Files app to scan real-life documents and save them onto your device. So how do we organize files? This is the home page of the Files application. The Locations tab is the primary location where all of your files are stored, and it looks just like this. When you open any of these locations, you'll see a list of all of your files. You can create folders within these file locations. Find and tap onto these three dots, this icon right here, to create folders. And the option will look like this. It'll be in the top right of your screen. Users are able to name their folders and will be allowed to place files within those folders. After creating a folder, users can drag files into the folder to organize them. To move a file into a folder, tap and hold the file until the option to move appears. So you would tap and you would hold and you would see an option like this and you can click Move. After you tap Move, the user can choose where they want to save their file. You can put your files in the new folder you just made. Keeping your files in user-created folders is a great way to stay organized. Here are some further resources to explore for further information about using the Files application. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Senior mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. on Thursdays.